The dropper post is one of the bicycle parts that requires care after you use it, because dust and dirt that sticks to it will reduce its performance. Therefore, you have to clean it thoroughly. Then how to care for and clean it? Follow the following method. Remove your dropper from your bike to begin. Disconnect the cable aft lever. Loosen the saddle clamp. Remove the cable end from the dropper post actuator. Remove the saddle from the post. Unthread the mid-cap and push it towards the saddle head. Use the adjustable wrench to break the actuator free from the post. Unthread the actuator by hand to pull it out of the lower tube. Remove through bolts holding the actuator. Remove the actuator and rubber washer from the cartridge shaft. Slide the post apart by pulling the stanchion away. From the Lowe's post tubing, remove the travel adjust bushing. Remove the actuator falls out. Clean all parts using a cloth and cleaning fluid. Apply grease to brass keys and machine grooves. It's time to reassemble the dropper post. Place the rubber washer and actuator onto the lower shaft. Slide the bolts through the holes and tighten. Thread the actuator back into the lower post body. Use the adjustable wrench to firmly tighten the actuator in place. Thread the mid-cap onto the Lowe's post body. Once maintenance is complete, install your dropper back onto the bike. And the dropper post is ready to be used again.